Okay, this phase of production is dealing with the prepress workflow system called XMF. This is the XMF client that you're looking at. And so what we first need to do is import our PDF file that we created back at the previous stage. So if I come over here and click Add Job, I'm going to kind of browse through my list of jobs that are ready for me. And here it is. Just a PDF. I'm going to submit that, and it's going to pop in here in my queue. Going to double click the job and get into the job edit mode. And one of the things I need to do, because of how we're planning to run this on the printing press, is that we're going to have to rotate this PDF. But first thing we need to do is when we click in here, we can kind of see, and you can see that I kind of modified this a little bit from our original proof, but I'm wanting to look to make sure I've got crop marks and I have areas that bleed. The red box indicates the document size, so this file looks pretty good. The only thing I really need to do in here is to rotate it, and I'm just going to turn it like this because we're going to run it kind of in a tall format on the press. Save that and close it. I'm going to drag the PDF to the Heidelberg workflow item. Inside of here, I'm going to apply this template, and I'm telling you all this inside of the project specs. We're going to be doing this as a one-up job, single-sided. So I'm selecting this option, this template, and below you can kind of see a preview of what it's going to look like on the plate. So the Prepress Workflow software essentially is going to position the PDF onto the plate so that it will print correctly on press. So that's all this software does. This is a lot more capable than what we're using it for on this particular project, and we'll kind of get into that as we advance. But this is to indicate the printing plate that will be mounting on the press, and this indicates where the PDF will be positioned. So the only thing I need to do in this window is to set up the paper size, and I'm going to go to Custom, and we're running this on a 4 by 5.5 press sheet. And then if you see that it positioned the image off the plate, I'm just going to come up here and click center, and that positions it back onto the plate where we want. So we save this and close it and save it again, and it's just telling me that I've got some small media, meaning the paper size that we're running, so kind of look out for that. So it's processing, and if you look over here where it says plates, you see that it now advances to 50%, meaning it's halfway through. It's waiting on us. Down here in this lower left hand corner under separations, I should just have one, and that black ink color, that's what corresponds to the black ink that we used inside InDesign with the swatches. So I'm going to click the black ink separation, click release separation, and hit OK, and we are kind of done with this particular piece of software. So it says that it's 100% exposed. It has positioned it or shot it over to our next phase of production, which is outputting the plate. And so it sent my file to something called the Meta Shooter, and I'll go over that here in a second in the next demo.